The Propellor is the final in our series of dealing with the basics of AutoCAD. This is not a particularly difficult drawing until we get to this little angle here. I think is actually the most tricky part of the whole thing. Apart from that, it should be pretty straightforward. So let's begin. We're going to go to centers. I think we'll put it about there. So I think the go here for this center of these circles is to probably, and that circle, that center there, that center is for this circle, I believe. So we may want to offset this down a bit. So let's do that. So the first distance will be 14. And then 50. So far so good. Let's construct these two circles here. So one is diameter 25 and one is diameter 14. So it'll be diameter 7 and then 12 respectively. And then move them into the correct layer, of course. Okay, they're in, and we'll change this to here. Good. Let's now create this circle here. So that one's a radius 20. And then the one at this center here, which is radius 34. Okay, so quite clearly this is going to get trimmed away, and this will get trimmed away as well. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so then we've got this fillet radius 14 here. I'm pretty sure we can just select, set the radius, so R, to 14. Select these two guys here, and that radius is built for us. So that then just leaves the creation of this line here, and whoops, sorry about that. This line here, and this fillet radius 6 here. 15-degree angle. So not sure how I want to do this just yet. Well, I think we'll put it on construction layer and mess about with it a bit and see what happens. I suspect we want it to be tangential to this circle here. So we might try turning off everything except tangent here so that no confusion occurs. And go XL for construction line. Let's specify a point or an angle, A for angle. Enter the angle of the X line, so it'll be 90 degrees plus 15, so that's like 105. So here's our 105 angle. And we'll stick it there like that. Not sure. I don't think that's where I want that to be. I think I actually want it to be here. So what we'll do is we'll add another 90 degrees to that angle and create a construction line that comes out here like this. So it was 105 plus 90 is 195 maybe. Let's try that. A 195. Yeah, that looks pretty decent. I'm gonna have to put these snaps back on there. Intersection, they're the ones I prefer. Yeah, that should definitely be there. So we'll delete this one. Draw this X line at angle 105, and then put it on the intersection here, like so. That looks pretty decent. I think we can now safely move this line here into the main layer, like so. Fillet. Set the fillet radius to 6. I think it's 6, is it? Yeah. Click this guy here and this guy here. That's pretty cool. Do a bunch of trimming now. ZTR. Get rid of this. We'll trim this round to there, so from there to there. Gets rid of that, and then lastly this bit here. Turn off the construction layer. So current layer will be turned off. Turn the current layer off. We'll move into this layer. That looks pretty good. The only thing that's left to do now is the dimensioning of this drawing, which you can do. I'm not going to go through that yet again. Yeah, so that's about it. I mean, the only real difficulty you might have is with this 15 degrees here, but if you pull down angular and follow the prompts, you should be able to work out exactly how to correctly dimension this. Okay, that was the last in the series of the basic stuff. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you have indeed mastered the basics. I think the next time I'll talk will be an inventor one. Okay, bye.